Alright, here is another linear inequality. And so we're going to try to find this, and this is question number 10 on the Unit 9 review, or Unit 1 review. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is distribute. So I'm going to take 3 and multiply it to x, and I should get 3x. Then I'm going to take the 3 and multiply it to the 4. That'll give me 12. I'm not going to distribute the 3 to the 7 because it's not inside the parentheses, so I'm just going to bring it down. That's a greater or equal to symbol, inequality. And we don't have anything but 5x plus 6 on the other side. Now, I am going to combine my like terms. I have a plus 12 and a plus 7. So when I rewrite this, it's going to be 3x plus 19 is greater or equal to 5x plus 6. Now, just like when we had multi-step equations, we're going to do the exact same thing on the inequality. Alright, so I'm going to subtract 19 to both sides. Bring down my 3x. This is a zero pair. Plus 19 minus 19, that equals 0, so it's like it's not there. Bring down my 5x. Plus 6 minus 19, be careful here. Make sure you use your calculator. We have more negatives than we do positives, so that means our answer is going to be a negative 13. Alright, since we hit the easy one over, now we're going to hit the 5x over to the other side. So I'm going to subtract 5x to both sides. So this should be a negative, my bad, sorry. This should be a negative 2x less than or greater than or equal to negative 13 because 5x minus 5x is zero pair, so it's not gone. Alright, now if you notice, this is a special thing. Very special. And the reason why is because it has a negative number being multiplied by to the x. And we said in class, whenever you multiply or divide a negative away from the variable, and this guy right here is my variable, I'm going to move everything. So I'm going to flip the inequality. So I'm dividing both sides by negative 2. Because I'm multiplying a negative away from the variable, see how this becomes positive? Then we flip the inequality. You see how I flipped it? And then 2 negatives when we divide means it's really multiply. I mean, like it's just like multiply, the rule is. So my answer is really 6.5. Alright, and again, if I was to graph this, I'd say 6.5. I would say, okay, do I have pick one higher and one lower? And then they're asking me, the question is asking me, pick a number less than or equal to 6.5. So because it's an equal to, we're going to have a closed dot. Very good. And we want a number less than 6.5, which would make it 6 or less, and so we go that direction.